Hi everyone, welcome back to the Online Pastry School's YouTube channel. Today's question is dark chocolate, dairy and gluten-free. So the straight answer is mostly yes. True good quality dark chocolate is dairy-free, vegan and gluten-free. It's kind of a godsend when you have guests that have desserts that are just allergic to everything. So the only thing you might see in the ingredients though is cocoa butter, but that's not any way related to dairy, so it's fine for dairy-frees and vegans. So the times when you have to be careful is what most commercial dark chocolates, like Cadbury's and Lint, they might add a little bit of dairy to them to get them creamy. Just look out for ingredients like milk fat, milk solids, cream, lactose, whey as well, because these all come from dairy. So mostly if you're using good quality dark chocolate, it shouldn't contain any, it should just be chocolate solids and cocoa butter. As for being gluten-free, yes, all types of plain chocolate are gluten-free, and it's absolutely fine. You don't need to worry about that. The only time you're going to find it is if you have, say, a bar of chocolate that has pieces in it, like crispy pieces. So just be careful that there's none of that in there. I hope that answers your question. And if you want to see how to use chocolate to make some amazing desserts, then just click the link below to go over to the Online Pastry School and see our video tutorials over there on everything to do with pastry and baking. And if you have any more questions you want answered, then just leave a comment below, and then we'll try and make a video next week just for you. So thanks very much, guys, and see you soon.